How to find store search settings on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First, open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings, and now go to this one here, search, or you can just type it here and you will find it. And as you see here, you can manage search settings. I hope that can help you. Just click on it and change anything you want here, and then just click save. It will be saved, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.